towards you. So, if you don't mind my asking, what was it? An accident when you were small? Or a big goblin came in the middle of the night and stole your voice away? Sorry. Who needs words? A smile says so much sometimes. You're nimble on your feet, aren't you? Dancing beats small talk any day. So we're free to smile or laugh. It lets you say so many things. Dancing is a language that is felt instead of heard. You can whisper, sing, or shout without so much as a word. Try it, go on, like so. Just let your emotions tell your body what to do. See how much a single gesture can reveal. And every little step, every single step is one step closer to saying what you feel. Do you hear something? Sorry, there's this voice. It's been haunting me. I better get some rest.